3,000 square meters for 750,000 pesos along provincial road or provincial highway near Tagbilaran City and located in Balilihan, Bohol. So it is ideal for commercial and residential. Approximately 20 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So in front of the house kini, this one, no? It is partitioned by acres. Actually, the size is 2 hectares plus, pero ilamang gi-subdivide kay gibahin partition by acres. So mao na, no? At tibak kanalikod, no, patag man na siya. The portion beside of this subdivision lot is part of the property. Pinataas ang sloping ani guys, kini ran dinhi tungod sa duol sa karsada. The very close to the kuan mari sloping, then the rest are flat terrain. So kana ra gyud murag ni slope, mura siya ni valley gamay ba, pero mao ra gyud to. Yan, the rest ana pwede na nimo tambakan. You can feel, no, filling materials, no, you can put filling materials. Mani nakanindot guys, it is really a very good investment. So this provincial road is connecting to Sikatuna, vice versa, Sikatuna Bohol, going to Lubok River, going to Paingonas Chocolate Hills, or ari baka paingon sa Tagbilaran City, going to Tagbilaran City, then Corillia, no, Corillia, Tarsier Sanctuary. So daghan kadyag mahimo guys. Aside from kanang residential, you can convert it into commercial po, no. Kay as you can see, it's really along the road, provincial, no, concrete road. So approximately 40 meters wide frontage, mao gini among gi sukod-sukod. Tax declaration siya guys, pero na-approve na ayang survey guys. Naana, gi-subdivide na gini. Wa man ni problema because it's really subdivision by heirs man, or subdivided or partition by heirs. So nindot as an investment. Imagine just only 750,000 pesos. Ang uban diri guys, tag 1,000, 1,500. So tagas na pod ang presyo. Pero kini barato ra gini siya. This is really good for investment. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So nindot kay ni siya nga property for investment near Doolra, Tagbilaran City. Thank you.